In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Outlook. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to More on your left panel and click on Apps. This is where all the possible integrations available for ClickUp is. So, on the search node, search for Outlook. As you can see, there are four types of integrations regarding Outlook that you can use. For this video, let's choose Outlook Calendar. Now, once you get here, click on Connect, and then you would be redirected to another tab where you will log in to your Microsoft Outlook account. So verify that it's you, and once you see this, accept for Microsoft to allow access for ClickUp. Then wait for a few seconds. Once you see this, it means you're done. You're successfully integrated ClickUp with Outlook. So, if you want to support your channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.